Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is everything I picked up at CVS for the sales week of October 18th through October 24th. The cost of all of these items is around $104. I did want to pick up some other items like laundry care and some poise pads, but my store was pretty low on stock on all of those items, so I figured I could wait till tomorrow when I do my second haul to pick up those items. I only picked up 4 deals in this transaction that gave back an extra care buck: the Colgate, the Garnier, the Nivea, and the Hallmark. I picked up the Axe, the Aveeno, and the CeraVe because I had some really good CRTs and some really good coupons. I'm going to go ahead and just jump into the video and show you guys all of these deals in store, and then we'll go over the final cost at the end. First I'm going to pick up are 3 of these Thanksgiving cards. Right here in this section, there's a bunch of them that are $2 each. I picked up these 3 for $6. I'm going to use these $2 off of 2 Hallmark cards. My total is $6. This is going to take off $4, leave me to pay $2, and then I'm going to get a $3 extra care buck, making these cards a $1 moneymaker. So I'm going to pick up 2 of these Colgate. These are the 4.8 ounce. I did scan a smaller one, the 3.4 ounce, and it was not touching to the 3 off of 2 digital that we have. So 2 of these are going to bring me to $6.98. I'm going to use that 3 off of 2. That's going to bring my total down to $3.98, and then I'm going to get a $4 extra care buck, making these free or a 2-cent moneymaker. This week, Garnier facial care is buy 2 get a $5 extra care buck. I'm going to pick up one of these Moisture Rescue at $8.79, and then I'm going to come over here and pick up one of these micellar wipes for $7.49. These 2 are going to total me $16.28. I'm going to use this $2 off of one micellar product that I printed from coupons.com. I'm going to use this $2 off of any Garnier Skin Active Moisturizer that I printed from coupons.com. And then I have this $2 off Garnier Micellar Cleansing Water that will work on that. And then another $2 off. That's going to bring my total down to $8.28. I'm going to get a $5 extra care buck for buying 2. It's going to make my cost $3.28 or $1.64 each. And both of these do count towards beauty. This week, Select Skincare is buy 1 get 1 40% off. I'm going to get some Aveeno and some CeraVe. I'm going to pick up one of these Aveeno Positively Radiant Peel Off Mask for $10.49. I'm going to pick up 2 of these at $9.29. I'm going to grab 2 of these CeraVe wipes at $10.79. These are the 5 products I'm going to pick up. My total for all of these are $43.21. These 2 will be 40% off. So full price, 40% off at $5.57, 40% off $5.57. My total for the Aveeno is going to be $21.63. I'm going to use this $5 off of 20 Aveeno facial care, this $4 off of Aveeno CRT, this $4 off of Aveeno CRT, and then this $2 off any one Aveeno facial cleanser or face mask that I printed from coupons.com. I have 2 of these, and I have a digital one that I'm going to use. For the CeraVe, both of these are $10.79. Both of them are going to bring me to $21.58. I'm going to use this $5 off of 22 facial cleansers. My total is $43, so I can use both threshold coupons. I'm going to use this $5 off of CeraVe facial care. And then these 2 $4 off of one CeraVe skincare products that I printed from their website if you share the coupon. Total before coupons is $43.21. I have $37 in coupons. That's going to bring my total down to $6.21 or $1.24 each. I am not getting any CRTs back for this, but all of this does count towards beauty, and it's going to be a super cheap out of pocket once I get those beauty bucks back. And I'm going to pick up 2 of these Axe shower gels. This week they are buy 1 get 1 50% off. I'm not getting back anything for these either, but I do have a good CRT. So I'm going to pick up 2, one at $5.99, one at $2.99. It's going to bring my total to $8.98. I'm going to use this $3 off of 2 Axe shower gel CRT and 2 of these $1.50 off of 1 that I printed from coupons.com. That's going to take $6 off, leave me to pay $2.98 or about $1.49 each. This week, Select Nivea body wash, body lotion, or cream are buy 2 get a $5 extra care buck. I'm going to pick up 2 of these for $5.99. That's going to bring my total to $11.98. I'm going to use this $2 off of 10. This says use from body lotion or any other body lotion, so I can use the CRT. And I'm going to use 2 of these $2 off of 1 Nivea body lotion that I printed from coupons.com. These are no longer available. That's going to take off $6, leave me to pay $5.98. I'm going to get a $5 extra care buck back, making them 98 cents or 49 cents each. Going over the receipt, there's the 2 Colgate at the top for $3.49. The Axe body wash, one was $5.99, one was $2.99. Then the CeraVe. In the scenario in the video, I did say I would have to pay full price for the most expensive ones. I don't think the items are a mix and match, buy one get one 40. I think it's like same brand. So this one was $10.79, and then the other CeraVe was $6.47. Aveeno at $10.49. One was 40% off at $5.57, and then one was $9.29. In the video, I said my cost for all of these items was $43.21. It was actually $42.61 the way that it rang up. So it was 60 cents cheaper. Instead of each of these costing $1.24, they cost $1.12. So a little bit cheaper out of pocket. All of my coupons and CRTs still came off just fine. Here's the 3 Hallmark cards at $2 each. The Nivea at $5.99 each. Garnier micellar wipes at $7.49, and then the Moisture Rescue at $8.79. Here are the coupons: $2 off Nivea, $2 off Nivea, $2 off Garnier, $4 off of the CeraVe, $4 off the CeraVe, $1.50 off Axe, $2 off Garnier, $2 off Garnier, $2 off Aveeno, $1.50 off Axe, and then my 2 digitals. 3 off of 2 Colgate and the $2 off of 1 Aveeno came off just fine. All of my CRTs throughout the video came off just fine. I rolled $28 in extracare bucks. I paid 83 cents plus tax on a Fetch Rewards gift card. I had a total savings of $103.44, which is amazing. I got back $4 for the Colgate, $5 for the Nivea, $5 for the Garnier, and $3 for the Hallmark. So I rolled 28, got back 17, which is a loss of $11 in extracare bucks. But I purchased enough beauty in this transaction to get a $6 beauty buck, and I have enough already from my existing purchases to give me an extra $3. So I'll get back a $9 beauty buck, which brings me from $11.89 loss to a $2.89 loss. But I got back 55 cents on Fetch. They have an offer for when you buy 2 Unilever products, you get 50 cents back. So that brings me down to a final cost of $2.34 for all 16 items, or 15 cents each, which is really good. I am super excited. I do want to go back tomorrow and try to get some Snuggle, some Tide, and some other products for the spend 30 get a $10 extra care bug. I'm hopefully going to try to get some Poise. I have a 1,200 point bonus on Fetch, a $6 offer on Saving Star, and then when you spend 30 you get a $10 extra care buck on Poise this week, which will make for a pretty small money maker, but still free, and I can donate those items. Brings us to the end of this video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you have a great day, and I will see you in the next one.